Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and for today's tutorial I'm coming with these fine romantic earrings. They're easy to make, I'm showing everything step by step. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. In this way you help me so much and you motivate me to make more tutorials for you. Also check the membership option because it comes with perks like video courses and gallery with digital beading patterns. Okay, without further ado, let's start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so what I'm using here for this video are 4 colors of 10 seed beads. I use earring finding sliver bags. This is nylon thread, use any type you like. This is size 11 beading needle, use similar needle, and I use scissors. Now take about an arm span of thread on your needle and I'll be back. Okay my friends, and I'm starting my work by picking up 8 of those beautiful white beads. And I'm going to slide those down. Now what I do in my next step is that I want to go through all of those beads like this. Okay. I want to go through all of them. Now I will stick my needle in my mat, and here what I want to do is to make a knot. And how I do this, I take my tail thread and I go twice through the loop I've made here and I pull, and then I want to do one more knot. Now my friends, in my next step I want to go through some beads in this direction. And I'm going to start my next row. I'm taking one light pink bead, go backwards like this, through the bead that I'm exiting out of and through the following. And you see here I have a loop between this white bead and this pink bead, and when I pull I have this. My thread is exiting out of the next white bead. I take one light pink, and again I go back through this bead and also through the following just to save time. When I pull I have the same thing, a loop between my white and my pink, and I pull. And I take again a pink bead and do this. And I'm going to continue this guys until the end. And I'm going to continue absolutely the same thing guys until the end of this row. Okay, and I have this. Then I'm going through one of the pink beads, zigzagging. Okay. And now guys, at this step I prefer to flip. So I take my work and I flip it just like that. Why I do this? Because it's easier for me to go in this direction. As I'm right-handed it's easier, but if you prefer you could go in the other direction. No worries, just don't flip and just fill in the gaps between those 8 pink beads with pink beads. Okay guys, now I have a new row with 16 beads. First one was with 18, but then I doubled them, so they are 16. I will start another row with dark pink beads. Okay, so I do a similar thing. I'm exiting out of this pink and I'm going backwards through the same pink. What I have here, I have a loop between my beads. Yeah, okay, this is what I have. Then I want to go through the next bead and I'm going to take 2 dark pink beads. And I go backwards through this bead and I exit through the following as well, just to save time, just to save one step of going again through the following. And now I connect this one bead with these 2 beads. Yeah, that's what I have. Then I'm going to repeat this. I take 1 pink bead, go backwards through this and through the following. I create a loop in the process and take 2 dark pink beads and go backwards through this bead and through the following. This is my tail thread, I should cut it. Okay, then I'm going to repeat absolutely the same thing, guys, until the end. First I take 1 bead and I go backwards. Then I take 2 beads and I go backwards. Okay, and I'm going to repeat this 1 2 1 2 1 2 until the end, and when I come back to here I will meet you. Okay guys, and when I continue this process I'm here at the last step where I need to add 2 beads. Okay, 2, and here I'm meeting this step where I added 1. So if you work correctly, 2 should meet with 1. Okay, now what I want to do in my next step is just to go around through all of those beads. Because now they are not sitting straight, you see, they're somehow zigzagging. That is why I prefer to go through all of them to make them stay in a straight line. Okay, this is what I have now. It is okay to cut this tail thread, not to be on our way anymore. And what I want to take now, guys, are 4 purple beads, dark purple, 1 white, 1 dark pink, 1 white, and again 4 dark purple beads. Okay, and as I'm exiting here, I want to count 1 2 beads and I'm going backwards like this through these 2 beads. Yeah, that's what I do, going backwards through 2. Yeah, then in my next step I'm going through 2 dark pink beads and I'm going to take the following sequence: 4 dark purple beads, white, dark pink and purple. And what I want to do is to go back here and go through these 3 purple beads. Okay, and after that go through these 2 dark pink beads and pull gently. Okay, so I have this. Then again I go through 2, take 4 purple, white, dark pink, white and 1 purple, and I go backwards through 3 purple beads and through these 2 dark pink beads. Okay, and I pull. Then I go through the next two dark pink, sorry. And the same sequence, 4 purple, white, dark pink, white, and 1 purple. And again, go back through 3 purple and through 2 dark pink. Okay, and I have this. Okay, I will show you one more time the steps and let you do this by the end of this row. And if you forget how I'm doing it, you could always rewind this step and repeat it until the end. Okay, and I take absolutely the same sequence, and here, pay attention, I go through 3 beads. And pay attention, here I go through 2, so it is absolutely the same thing all the time. And I pull. Then don't forget to go through 2 more to be in a position to start your next element. Okay, and continue adding these elements, and when I'm up to the last step, I will be back to show you because it will be a little bit different. Okay, continue doing this and meet me. Okay, my friends, and I'm adding here this last element, and I need to make another element here. But do you notice that I already have the sides of this element? They're already there from the first and from the last loop of beads that I did. So I will do the same thing of going through these 2 pink beads, but then in my next step I will go through 3 beads here. Okay. And then I take 1 purple, white, dark pink, white, and 1 purple. And my goal is to connect this and form absolutely the same shape like I was doing before, like that in circle. Okay? And I'm closing my circle in this way. Then I go through all of those beads in this direction. And I want to exit here where the white bead is. And I want to take 3 white beads, and I go like this through the white, skipping the central pink bead. Okay, I have this. Then I take 2 more white beads, and I go like this with them. Okay, I have a flower here. Then I want to reach the next one, the next flower. And I'm doing absolutely the same thing. I'm exiting. My goal is to exit through one of the white beads, the first white. Then I take 3 and I go through the next white, skipping the pink one. And I take 2 more white beads, and what I want to do is to go in this direction. And I pull. Then what I want to do is to go through all of those white beads, and again my goal is to reach the next white. And I want to reach it from the center to the outside, like this. And I will take 3 beads here, go through the white that's on my way. Now I prefer to flip in this direction. Always flip your work the way it's easier for you. Okay, and pull. I think you get the idea, but I will show it one more time, just to be on the safe side. Okay, I'm going through all of those beads. Then I want to go through the purple and through the white from the center to the outside. take 3 and do the same thing. And by the way, I will let you do this from here on until the end to make it by yourself, but you could always rewind and see how I'm doing it and just repeat these steps until the end. Now, as I said, I'm turning it the way it's easier for me, and I pull like this, okay? Then again, exit from this bead in this direction and continue, and I'll meet you. Okay, and I'm taking 2 white beads, and this is the last flower that I'm doing, and I did it absolutely the same way. And now guys, I don't like how these are moving. That is why I'm going to do an additional step. Okay. I'm exiting here after the 3 top white beads that I added, and I want to take 2 purple beads and also go through the next 3 top beads that I have here. Okay, like this. Again, I take 2 and I go through those beads, and again 2, and go through the top 3 beads. Okay, and I'm going to continue this, adding 2 and going through the top 3 beads, and when I'm up to the end I will be back. Okay guys, and see how easy and fast my earrings are ready. I'm exiting here at this top white bead, and I take a purple earring finding and a purple, and I go back like this through this white, and I reinforce. Then what I would like to do next guys is go through some beads and make a knot. And how I'm going to do this, I will make here a loop, and I will go twice through the loop I've made, and I'm going to pull, and then I will go through some beads and I will cut this tail thread. Okay guys, and now my romantic daisy flowers seed beads earrings for Saint Valentine's Day are ready. So if you like them and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe. Also like, share and comment. Also, if you want to see additional content from me, like video courses and digital patterns, you could become a member for just $6.99, which comes with a great value. So you could check membership in description and at the join button. Now please check the Saint Valentine's playlist that you see on your screens and continue watching.